Okay, YouTubers, so this is a Range Rover 2014 to 2018 key, and I got a Range Rover Sport. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart and how to clean it properly. So it's just a basic key, and to open it, you'll see a little arrow there, and you just slide this open and pull it off. This key is your spare key in case you don't have a battery left in this, and you open this up and you put it underneath the door. There's a little tiny insert for it to unlock your car. So now this part here, to take it apart, you can use a little tiny screwdriver if you want. You don't really need to. And you just kind of pop it open. Sometimes it's a little more difficult than others to take apart. Yikes. I tell you. There we go. But once you start it, it unclips somewhat. There it goes. Woo! So now when you open it, when you want to clean it, you can use something really light. I don't find there's a lot of grease in these, so I can use this like a normal cleaner, such as a window cleaner or something. Now if you want to change the battery, you can take this out, and the battery is a 2032, and it just slides back in. You can buy these at Walmart, Canadian Tire, pretty much anywhere you can buy them, or any auto store, and you just pop that battery back in place. Now, if your car alarm's going off all the time, you want to check these pressure plates. This is when you push your buttons, it's coming onto this pad here and hitting these little sensors to unlock or lock your car or even activate your alarm. So if you have a really soft toothbrush, now there's no dirt on these because I keep these pretty clean, but you can always just kind of brush them nice and softly. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want to ruin the panel. And then if you have any caked on dirt, you can always put a little bit of your cleaner on a Q-tip and just clean around and just make sure that the whole device is actually clean. This one looks actually pretty good. But you want to make sure there's no dirt and grime built in on these, because when you're pushing down on these buttons, you don't want these sensors to have a false positive and activate your car alarm. So it looks pretty good to me. So now to put it back together, there's two little clips in there, and you can see the clip on the board. So you put the micro board back in like that. This is very important too to get on, and you'll see that there's two little clips for it too. It goes on the same clips. Make sure that's in there. So it all looks clean to me. We're going to put this back together now. This one here has one little clip here on the side, and that goes right up here. And you just pop it back in, just like that. Then remember to put your spare key in case you lose battery power. That slides right in like that. And then you put it in on an angle and slide it down and into place. And that's how you clean or change the batteries to a Range Rover key. So thanks for watching how to fix a Range Rover key and put a new battery in and clean it. So subscribe for more videos, and we'll be fixing up this car. It's a 2014 Range Rover Sport, so there'll be lots of videos on that, and of course videos on flipping houses quickly. That's my bread and butter, where I make my money. So there's a video on how to flip a house in 7 days and make $35,000 quickly. So be sure to subscribe for all those videos. Thanks for watching.